Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? Oh my goodness, Bitcoin, it created an all-time high, then dumped down a new all-time high, and then now, oh my God, destroyed all the people who were buying up at the top. Never go chasing markets, man. Never. And, I'm sure you've learned that in that last dump. If you actually try to buy the top. Oh man, we're gonna talk about where I told you to buy before, because I was saying where we were gonna see the price action going in the last few episodes, and yeah, I was just about right, and we're gonna show you all about that and what I'm buying, how I'm buying, and where I'm going to be buying on this particular dump, and how I'm going to be trading Ethereum and Bitcoin for the next little while. Yeah, so if you're interested in trading, right, remember you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com. Just head over there and for your deposit bonuses. Okay, I'm going to head straight to the charts here. We talked about this before on the other shows. I said that here, let me just escape out of this and move to that. I put this line and said, hey, you know what, the market's probably going to hold this line, and what did it do? It held the line and it broke through a little bit and then pounced right back up, as this was the first stop target. But where I was interested in buying mostly was here at the $64,000 mark. And so I was not interested in anything else, adding any more, unless it got there. And what did it do? It did come back down. I said shouldn't be on chasing after this in many some of my episodes, and I was going to hold fast right down here. And yeah, there it goes. Yes, I know it was really hard up here, right? You thought, oh man, this is never coming back down, never coming back down. And yeah, that's why some people got sucked in at the highs here. So keep that in mind. Now, zooming in, you can see that we are moving higher, but I think Bitcoin might come back down and retest the lows here. So I'm interested in buying anything below this level here, which is at the 63,925 level. If we break that, I think you can get some cheap Bitcoin to take you to the higher level, because Bitcoin's going to 72, 75,000 in by the end of this month. So you might want to pick some up before it does that. But to pick some up at the cheapest part possible, like the level you can. No guarantees from the manager that it will come down here. This is where I'm interested. This is where I added to my buy order. I haven't added a whole lot to my buy order when it came back down, but I did get some, and I'm still in a trade here, as you can see. Moving on to Ethereum, right? You can see Ethereum still trapped in that trend channel, right? And we're moving up in that trend channel. We're moving up in the trend channel above the EMA ribbons and bouncing off the 13 EMAs every single time. So a break, of course, below this will mean that we might be visiting the 200 period moving average on the daily. Hopefully not. Actually, this is daily. Okay. Wow. So if we look at the 4 hour, wow, that's pretty impressive March here. So yeah, I would say the 200 period moving average on the 4 hour is the most likely target if we break. You can see that it was close ones, lots of close calls that it was going to break, but then it bounced back off. I'm betting that this thing is going to probably break up to the upside and take off to all-time highs. We're in a very bullish stance, right? Higher highs, higher lows. It's clearly a straight up line, and we can't deny that. The trends are friend until the end, and so that's where we're at. So we're gonna have to look for longing opportunities every single time. And right now, since Ethereum is a little bit more stable than Bitcoin, it seems lately, I would expect that this would not come back down to these levels on this this trend line. Now, if it does come back to the trend line, I suggest you get some more Ethereum. If it does roll over and bounce off the trend line, you can see that we can see this thing go a lot higher. All right, let's take a look at the dominance and see what's going on over there. Yeah, the dominance. Man, the dominance is like stuck, but well, I expected as much. I mean, it's got to create a nice Ming pattern before it really rolls over and dies. So right now, right, we're looking for that M pattern, and then boom, and then we have our massive rally into the alt season that we've been all looking forward to getting. Wow, look at that. Even though we haven't had a whole lot of clear indication here on this chart, but looking at this, oh my goodness, look at all the coins that all this is priced in Bitcoin that are up majorly, like in like a couple 100% priced in Bitcoin. Hopefully you guys taken your little old lady and gotten some of these coins in the last little while, because look at that, there was some serious money to be made. Alrighty, with that said, remember, right, you want to learn how to use the little old lady strategy so you can profit and gain Bitcoin. Because why? Well, because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Cheers, people.